Samsung fans, the wait is over. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming. But wait, what makes it so special? Is it really just a phone? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just a phone. It's a design revolution. Let's dive in and uncover the groundbreaking top 7 features that set it apart from the rest. Before we dive deep, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Ultra-thin bezels, refined elegance. The Galaxy S25 is expected to showcase extremely thin bezels framed by a premium metal casing, maximizing screen real estate while maintaining a sleek profile. Number 2. Super AMOLED display. Featuring a Super AMOLED screen with a minimal hole for the selfie camera, the device promises an immersive viewing experience without significant interruptions. Number 3. Galaxy S25 Ultra's bold design departure. The S25 Ultra marks a significant departure from the Note series design legacy, with a slightly rounded corner design that moves away from the boxy corners of earlier models. Number 4. Innovative and accurate renders. Despite some inaccuracies in recent CAD renders, the actual consumer model is expected to feature much thinner bezels, enhancing the device's sleek and modern look. Number 5. Metal frame and color matching. The S25 Ultra's metal middle frame will match the rear panel's color, creating a seamless and aesthetically pleasing design. The screen will occupy a significant portion of the front, with bezels potentially thinner than those of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Number 6. Advanced engineering for reduced weight. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is speculated to be approximately 8 lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This reduction in weight is achieved without compromising battery capacity, showcasing Samsung's advanced engineering capabilities. Number 7. Design innovations setting new benchmarks. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra are expected to set new benchmarks in smartphone design with significant improvements in bezel thickness and overall build quality, reflecting Samsung's commitment to cutting-edge design and engineering. Release date. The official release of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra is tentatively scheduled for January 2025. However, a more definitive look at the final design may be available by the end of November or early December as promotional leaks and further information emerge. That's a wrap on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra living up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy.